It's your boy with another clip or video, however you want to call it. But today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a hookup. And it ain't a wet hookup, it ain't a brick, it's a little different. But I'm going to show y'all hookup. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a little hookup. But it's going to be with the noodles. See, look, we got just right here. It's going to be with the noodles. You know what I'm saying? We got the sardines right here. It's just something small right now, you know what I'm saying? Personal, you know what I'm saying? For me, that's just something I want to eat right now. But right now, we about to get into. Alright, right now we about to get into smashing these noodles, you know what I'm saying? About to break down these noodles right quick. There we go. Just like this. There you go. Okay. Boom, there you go. Alright. Lay it up like that. And you let it cook for a good 2 minutes. But you gotta keep taking it out. In and out every 30 seconds. That's how you know what I'm saying? You don't want to burn nothing. So, that's how you do it. Yeah, you gotta put them back in there. It's gonna get real golden brown after a while. See? It's gonna get real golden brown. See, watch. See? Yeah, they're getting real brown. They're getting real golden brown. Real golden brown. You know, like French fries. We're gonna put them in there for another 30 seconds. Let me put the seasoning packs in. Dump them in just like that. However you want to put it, dump both of them. Dump both of the packs in. It up. We're gonna mix the seasoning up with the water and the noodles. And cooling the noodles off. You see that? Alright, now it's time to put them back in the microwave. You gotta get them real softened up. Running, see that 2 minute 25? We're gonna run it all the way through. And while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the fish ready for this. That one will not come out. Alright, boom. The seasoning on it. Now the noodles ready. Well, we gonna see if they ready. We don't know if it's ready or not. Gotta admit, this is not. You see that? Look at that. Golden noodles. Alright, we good now. Let me just stir this up one good time. Just one good time. Alright, now the fish is cooked. Now we gonna chop these little sausages, these little something, just these right here. And boom. See? We just put it in like that. So you gotta put these in. unseasoned food. Okay, let me bring it over here. And just, you know, just spread them. Spread it just like that. Okay. We're gonna mix it all up. Okay. I call it blending. What we gonna do? Mix it up. See? Look at that. Look at that. Got the cheese for y'all right here. Gotta get the cheese. Gotta spread the cheese. See? And the chips. I ate some. Crunch them up. Just like this. Crunch them up. Just put the cheese over just like that. Just cover all the cheese over. Cover the cheese. Oh. That's how you do it. And the chips. Now that. You just sprinkle. You just sprinkle on top. Sprinkle. Sprinkle on top. Oh, here you go. What do you call a hookup? Fried noodles, fish, sausage, chips, cheese. You know, basic stuff. Heck. I'm telling you.